Welcome back, viewers. In the last video, we have seen the Fedora designer suite. So from now onwards, we will check out the Fedora Astronomy Lab. So this is the website for the Fedora Astronomy Lab distro or ISO. So Fedora Astronomy brings a complete open source toolchain for both amateur and professional astronomers. The spin, or we can say spin, or we can say ISO or a distro. So it is a separate spin, distro or ISO under the Fedora organization. So the spin provides Fedora KDE desktop enhanced with the complete scientific Python environment and the astromatic software for data analysis. K-Stars was added to provide a full-featured astrophotography tool. K-Stars uses the Indie library to control equipment. Various telescopes, cameras are supported. Summarized, Fedora Astronomy provides a complete set of software from observation planning to the final result. So you can use the Fedora Astronomy Lab, install on your laptop, and you can configure it with the different telescopes, cameras, and you can extract the data out of the telescope, cameras. You can take photographs, you can enhance those photographs. So for photograph enhancement, GIMP is also available. So that we will check out which applications are there just after few seconds. So this is the link to the documentation for Fedora Astronomy Lab. These are the release notes. This is the download button, and the featured applications for Fedora Astronomy Lab are Astropy. So Astropy is a community Python library for astronomy to foster interoperability between the different astronomy packages. K-Stars, so it is accurate graphical simulation of the night sky from any location on Earth at any date and time. Celestia, the free space simulation that lets you explore our universe in 3 dimensions. Virtual planet, so this will allow you to visualize any planet aspect at any time, include extended feature database and texture. Cyril is there. So Cyril is a free astronomy image processing software. Indie, as we already seen, it is a cross-platform software library designed for automation and control of astronomical instruments. So you can basically interface your astronomical instruments with the laptop on which you install the Fedora Astronomy Lab, and then you can extract the data out of the different cameras that are attached to the telescope. You can take photograph of the viewfinder in the this telescope, and that photograph can be enhanced using GIMP. GIMP is a open source photo enhancement software, just like Adobe Photoshop. You can see the GIMP is given here. Redshift is there. So Redshift adjusts the color temperature of your screen according to the surroundings. And Astromatic is there. So Astromatic is a set of astronomical pipeline software. So this is it. These are all the main software that are included in the Fedora Astronomy Lab ISO or the spin. And this is the link to download the ISO. So this is the download link, and this is the checksum. So you can use this website to download it. Then you can burn it to a USB thumb drive, and then you can install it on your system of your choice. So that's it. So from next video onwards, we are going to check out these applications and the Fedora Astronomy Lab that I'm going to install in a virtual machine. So see you in the next video. Bye.